Everything you see is a sell. Everything you see is a sell. It's a sell, it's a sell, it's a sell. It's a sell. I gave the signal, I gave the signal. I gave the...
Run.
Yesterday we took a loss on Aussie CHF, but that's not a problem, guys. Okay, as usual, losses are part of the game. The thing is, you need to learn. Okay, ask yourself, why did I take a loss on this? Okay, so let me just show you Aussie CHF. Of course, the analysis was great, everything was great. We had all the confidence in the world that this market was giving us, properties, that is sell properties, but that's the market. So let me just show you what I saw and why I was thinking that this market, was looking way too good for sales. Okay, so I'll remove my drawings as usual, and let me just hit that replay tool and show you where the market was. Somewhere around this level, I think so. Okay, so based on the analysis, guys, this is what I saw. Okay, generally we were on a downtrend since the market is giving us bearish property, and I said, what if this kind of a play, something like that, that's the high. Also we had that high, we also have this high. So I said that, okay, probably that's just a continuation pattern, impulse correction, impulse. So I anticipated this was kind of a correction, and of course after correction we anticipate an impulse, which is okay. So guys, let's just add more complex now. Trying to understand this market more, I saw that, okay, what if this is the left shoulder right here, this is the head, then the market was going to give me a right shoulder before it dropped. So that is another confluence. Okay, so now if I cut the head something like this, just like that, so let's just go to the 4 hour. Sorry, that's the H3. All right, now based on the H4, this is what we had. So we see that the market was doing this, the market went up. Okay, now as the market went up, I said no problem. It doesn't mean if the market breaks a resistance or a support, we change our our bias. So I said, okay, there's this level that I will try to see how that market or how price is going to react around that level. So I went to the 1 hour, guys. Okay, now over here I saw that the market was kind of consolidating for a while, and I said, okay, if this market takes out this low, giving us, okay, that's like a double top, then I should take a sell position, which is okay, guys. Somewhere around that. Stop loss was around 24 pips, I believe so. And I said, okay, this is the right time now to swing this joint all the way down. So let's see what the market did. All right, the market broke and we were triggered, we were in profit, guys. And then guess what? The market went up. So when the market was going up, I had no problem because I thought, okay, the market of course was going to respect this level. So let's see, the market did this, gave us another confirmation. I said, okay, probably if it respect that level, then let me just have this right here. So I was like, if this market respect this level, then now we might have a bigger version of a double top. But at the same time, I said, if this market takes out this high, then that means the next level that this market is probably going to retest is this zone right here. So if we get a loss from this market, okay, this level right here, I anticipated that we must or we might take our sell position right there. Okay, and maybe ride this giant all the way down. So let's see what the market did. The market took us out. So let me just show you right here when the market took us out. Well, okay, right, I said stop loss hit 24 pips. We wait for the second entry. Okay, and this is it. Actually, let me play this video.
So this is it, guys. We see that price can't stop, but I don't have a problem with that. I still stick to my sell position. So we have other levels. If this market or the price continues pushing up to take us out, there's no problem. Then the next level should be this. Let me show you right here. So that should be the next level. Okay, if this market breaks out of this high, then the next level of course is going to target this. So this I don't have a problem, okay? Because this market has a potential of dropping like crazy. So it's just 24 pips. So if the market takes me out just 24 pips and it's having a potential of giving me 200 or 200 pips, like, the 24 pips won't mean a thing. So let's see.
All right, so you see, that's it. We were taking out 24 pips, no problem, and then you see that the market is trying to do this. Okay, see the market. I believe that's the current market price. So if I remove these joints, these drawings right here, we need to understand what the market is doing, guys. I keep on saying we need to understand how price is reacting, or it's approaching support or a resistance. So my eyes should be on this level, guys, right here, that resistance. Okay, so I'm just waiting right now to understand the approach that this market, will be trying to approach this resistance of mine, which already I'm seeing good signs though. You understand? But guys, don't watch this video then just take your into, guys. There are certain things that I should put in consideration before making a decision. All right, but already that kind of an approach is looking way too delicious. Sheesh. All right, so let's see how the market, of course, today is Friday, guys. We anticipate that the market, of course, might close above or below this resistance level, and probably by Monday or next week, that's when we might get good position. But if we don't see any good reversal structure right here, we won't do a thing, okay? Unless we see continuation pattern, we change our sales to buys, okay? Then yesterday I also had a good analysis on gold trade based on the 1 minute. Now this is a signal again, begin giving a signal, right? So this is what I saw on gold, that gold has a good potential of dropping. But don't just take a sell on gold right now when you're watching this video. There are some things, of course, that we need to add to our analysis, more confidence. So this was yesterday. Gold based on 1 minute, I saw a head and shoulder, and let me just show you, kind of respected. But then of course gold just moved 40 pips, and that's not bad for scalping, so I'll just take it back to the 1 minute, and then I'll show you what I saw and how gold reacted to that level. Where are you? Can I get that? Yeah, right here, I believe so. This is it, baby. So based on the 1 minute, guys, I saw that gold was giving us a head and shoulder right here. If I cut the head, this is a head and shoulder, and of course this is a neckline. So my anticipation was, of course, that gold will target this level right here, but of course I never took that trade because this happened, the move happened at night. Of course I was asleep, so I could have not caught that move. But let me just show you. Of course, stop loss was above that level. Was it? Can't remember, but it was around 30 pips, maybe something like this. I don't know. And of course, my anticipated target was this level. Okay, so let's see. Gold did this. All right. Then it dropped. Let me just play that thing. I'm tired of clicking. Should be more than 10. Let me just increase the speed. Ooh. Yeah. So I think gold dropped something like 40 pips before, was it? I believe it was this level before reversing, guys. Something like 40 pips. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, I think so. So if the gang took it, that is, if anybody took it, because I say this is the gold idea. You see, like I say, I was anticipating this level. So if somebody took it from the group, guys, and was watching this trade, I believe they did close their end, which it's not bad. Instead of targeting this, of course, if you saw that the market wants to reverse, you need to close your position. 40 pips is not bad for not even scalp. That's a day trader thing. You understand? So I hope you guys understood that. But before that, let me just take it back to the 4-hour, because I was talking about signal, guys. I'm anticipating that gold might do this impulse correction, so probably let it play. Then if it touches this level, then let's take it a sell. Or if it drops down like this correction, then we might get that mini version of a sell. But I hope you guys understood that short video. And guys, do not be scammed. There's a Telegram channel using my name, my profile picture, more than 5k subscribers. I'm only up 529 subscribers on Telegram. So do not get scammed, guys. I don't trade for nobody, guys. I don't do any investment package. So adios amigos, peace.